bese uthi nje ukuthi lana ngiyaxofoza mawuxofoza la ushaya ukuthi papa yabona ukuthi ukuthi yabo hey Sam go hey yes boy hey chiquis ready tell her for myself go
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Celebrity Stories, and today sikhuluma nge-celebrity elincane ncukuna wonke la eMzansi. Igama lakhe langempela ke uOwenkosi Ntuli. Coincidentally, ushare ke i-surname with his on-screen mom, uHope Ntuli, odlala ke indawo kaNomafu noma ke indawo kaMabusi. From ke umkhokha owenkosi wazelwa kumkhokha waziwa kumkhokha as uVulindlela Mthembu. Guys, he just turned 1 year nge-Christmas Day. Bakithi abazali bakhe ke beku-TV uHope Mbele no Maps decided to make this day or his day extra special by organizing i-birthday party. Guys, bamthengela ke nemoto, bathi nje uyiphethe kahle emsebenzini, ufika ngesikhathi, ama-lines akho uyawalandela, uya-understanda nje ukuthi kahle kahle ngampela he is the future mkhululi wamaJudiya. So nje guys, bakithi ibheli lincane bakithi cha balithanda kakhulu. Owenkosi is so cute, he is so cute, uyathandeka ke ngampela. So nje guys, that was ke how they celebrated a birthday. I think they celebrated it on the 24th before a Christmas, but it was for a Christmas day because was on 25 again, go December 2023. This year he just turned 1. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and let's wish the little one a happy belated birthday.